Your dog starts barking at a delivery person and you are at the end of your rope. You just want a moment of peace without resorting to something harsh like a shock collar. Then you see it online. A sleek little handheld device that claims to stop barking with a silent sound. It looks like a simple remote control. It even has a built-in flashlight for those late-night walks. The marketing makes it sound like a total miracle. It targets frustrated pet owners who are desperate for a quick fix. You might think this is the technological breakthrough you have been waiting for. The theory behind it is actually based on science. Dogs hear frequencies that are totally silent to human ears. This device emits a high-pitched blast that is supposed to grab their attention immediately. It claims to work from up to 30 feet away. It fits right in your pocket for easy access. It sounds like a dream come true for any neighborhood walker. But when you look past the glossy ads, the reality starts to crumble. The ratings for this specific brand are some of the lowest I have ever seen. We are talking about a dismal 1.5 stars out of 5 on major review platforms. Consumer protection agencies have even slapped the company with a D- rating. That is a massive red flag that you cannot ignore. Users report that the device often fails within just a few days. It is not just a hardware issue though. The emotional toll on the pets is the real concern here. Many owners say their dogs became much more anxious after they started using it. Some dogs even turned aggressive because they were confused and startled by the noise. One poor dog developed a phobia of all beeping sounds. This included the microwave and even the smoke detector. Veterinarians warn that these are aversive tools. They rely on discomfort and surprise to stop a behavior. They do not teach the dog what you actually want them to do instead. Over time, many dogs simply learn to ignore the sound. This makes the device a total waste of money. The psychological impact can be lasting and harmful to the bond you have with your pet. Then there is the business side, which is truly shocking. These units are being sourced from wholesale sites for around $1.70. They are then sold to you for nearly $40. That is a markup of over 2,000% for a piece of cheap plastic. Getting your money back is another nightmare entirely. Customers report being double charged or getting ghosted by the support teams. It seems like the business model is built on people getting too tired to keep fighting for a refund. If your dog has a barking problem, this gadget is not the solution. Using fear or discomfort is a shortcut that rarely ends well. Positive reinforcement training builds trust and solves the root cause of the noise. It takes more effort, but your dog deserves more than a cheap ultrasonic blast. Invest in a good trainer or some high-quality rewards instead. Do not let a flashy ad convince you that a miracle fix exists for a complex behavioral issue. It is just not worth the risk to your dog or your wallet. Genuine training is the only way to get the results you really want.